Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Pete.
Captain Keith over here from Clearwater. How y'all doing today?
The holidays are here, and we get it. It's a very stressful time, especially when you're deciding what to shop for somebody that may appear to have everything. So Keith, you have any bright ideas on what to get for the holidays for your fellow boaters?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's a couple different ways you can go. We've touched on this a little earlier. Got a handheld VHF radio with me here. It's not a bad idea to have one of these. It's great to have. It lets you keep in contact with a boat. You're walking around the beach or something. You can talk to somebody on the big boat. Even if you got a little boat and you don't have a fixed mount, you know, you want to call the marina or dockmaster, you're gonna have a handheld VHF radio. It also has your weather channels and all that in there. Another great gift idea is a personal locator beacon or a handheld EPIRB. EPIRB, the acronym is Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon. This will actually work through satellite. So this happens to be a Spot Messenger. Garmin makes an inReach. There's a bunch of different brands that are out there. But the main thing is this works through satellite. So if I were to hit the SOS button on this, it'll go to the satellite. It goes to a company that monitors her just like your home alarm security system. So they'll get my latitude and longitude. If I'm out here in the Gulf of Mexico, they're gonna notify the Coast Guard. If I'm out in Montana and I end up out in the woods somewhere or out of cell phone range, I hit that SOS button on here, they're gonna notify the proper authorities out there. This just happens to have an OK button. I can text, it'll text or email 10 people on my buddy list. This is like the very first version. The new ones out there now, you can actually got a keyboard on them and you can actually text your information or whatever you want to say. Briefly here, inside here, I've got it's called a Chapmans Piloting and Seamanship book. This is the boater's guide right here. This is a reference book. It's nothing that you're gonna go and you're gonna read from cover to cover in here. But, you know, maybe, you know, for you, your spouse, you got an office, a business building, you got a nice bookshelf or something back behind you, and you want to have a cool book sitting up on a shelf, this is it. So this is a great gift idea. We're going to take a walk over here in a second. We're going to head over to our ship store here at the St. Pete store and give you a few more gift ideas.
All right, now let's talk about the fun stuff. We're in the parts department at the MarineMax St. Pete location. Whatever you need for a boater this holiday season, they're gonna have it right here. Do yourself a favor, these are mine. Get yourself a nice pair of Costa Del Mar sunglasses. It's well worth the money. They work great, you look cool too. Whether you own a Sea Ray, a Whaler, whatever brand it is, get yourself some swag, a hat, a shirt, you name it. All your Costa apparel. All these neat little things here. This is a toadfish. Put that right there on the console of your boat. It's not gonna go over, but you can pick it up.
All you gotta do is lift it straight up and it comes without any effort. Anyway.
So come on, you wanna be a big hit this holiday season? You wanna be the man or woman when everybody's opening up presents underneath the Christmas tree, Christmas morning? This is the place to do it, guys. Come on, what are you waiting for?
Check out your local MarineMax parts store, ship store, and all that stuff. Go have some fun, go shop and spend some money. And it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll see you guys out on the water.